Welcome! You are watching the Duetta Unpacking and Setting Up Guide. This video will show you the contents of the package, how to unpack and set up your Duetta, how to install the included EasySpec software, and validate the calibration to guarantee the instrument is ready for use. The contents of the box include the lamp box, the sample snap tray, the software startup box, the USB and power cables, the filter holders, and the direct injection port. To remove the Duetta from the box, first pull out the top of the bag without moving the instrument. Bunch the bag and twist it to form a handle. Lift the bag, pulling the instrument out of the box. Gently remove the delicate lamp cartridge from the box. Remove the plastic wrap while being careful not to touch the bulb with your fingers. Open and remove the lid to the lamp housing and lower the blue latch. Face the flat side of the cartridge to the back of the instrument. The rails will fit along a track inside the lamp housing. Lift the blue latch to secure the lamp. The sample snap tray easily slides into the sample compartment. The tray contacts fit onto the board contacts in the back of the compartment area. When not in use, the direct injection port is stored in its compartment in the housing. The two filter holders are stored in their slots, one along the side and one along the back of the sample compartment. For when you want to use filters to improve your spectrum, the filter holders can be used for both 2-inch square filters or 1-inch round filters. For when you want to use the direct injection port, remove it from its slot, close the cover, open the injection port lid by rotating clockwise. A pipette can be used to inject solution directly into an open-top cuvette. Now it's time to turn on your Duetta. Insert the power cord into the power socket and turn on the main power switch. Hold the power button on the front for 3 seconds and the instrument will turn on. The light will be orange the first time it's turned on. To install the software, use the included USB flash drive. Run the installer using setup.exe. Click Yes and agree to the End User License Agreement. Enter your name and click through to complete the installation. Now you'll find the EasySpec software icon on your desktop and you are ready to use your Duetta. When the software is installed and the instrument is connected to the computer, the light will change to blue. In order to validate the performance of the instrument once it's unpacked, we will measure the calibration and Water-Raman signal-to-noise ratio and produce a results report. The service report is accessed from the Method Setup window. Using the Help menu, you can select Service Report. Fill out the test information and select a save destination for your results. Information about your Duetta is pre-filled. Click OK to continue. The Water-Raman emission spectrum parameters are automatically loaded. Click Scan to begin. The software will instruct you to insert a clean cuvette containing distilled or filtered water. Insert the sample and click OK. The acquisition will take 80 seconds. After the acquisition is complete, the Water-Raman spectrum will appear. The signal-to-noise ratio value should be above 6,000 to 1. The peak wavelength should be 397 nanometers within 1 nanometer accuracy. Now you can click Create Report. A PDF will be created with the test information and the results. This PDF can be saved or, in the event of an issue, sent to HORIBA service. And you are ready to use your Duetta.